What do you think is the answer for 230 minus 220 divided by 2? Who do you think is right? Mr. Algebra or Miss Probability? Let's look at Mr. Algebra's work. Mr. Algebra used the order of operations. So since there's minus and division in this expression, he simplified first the division 220 divided by 2, which is 110. The new expression now is 230 minus 110, so the answer is 120. And I will agree with Mr. Algebra's solution. He used the correct order of operations in this expression. Now let's take a look at Miss Probability's work. Miss Probability has different work. If n is a positive integer, n factorial denoted by n exclamation point is a product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. So for example, 4 factorial means you multiply 4 all the way to 1. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is 24. So applying the factorial notation in Miss Probability's work, 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that is 120. So this means that Mr. Algebra and Miss Probability are both correct. The answer is 120 or 5 factorial in this problem. And I'm sure you can think of other formats that will give you 120 as the answer as well.